Hi everyone, my name is Shreya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be covering a very important topic, that is self-concept, and I had planned to talk about this way back, but it's just I was not filming for a while, and the reason I was not filming was because I don't know if you guys can, I think my camera is also capturing it. uh, so I think two I think 2 weeks back, 3 weeks back, I somehow caught a bacterial infection on my skin, and like my whole face was extremely red. Like this side of my whole face was extremely red, and I had these small tiny breakouts that were extremely painful. Like I was in so much pain, and I was also feeling very self-conscious to go out or record or anything. But I obviously went to a doctor, and like now it's starting to heal, and I'm hopeful that it's going to go away in a month or so. But that was also one of the reasons why I was not recording anything, or even looking at even getting any pictures or anything. Like, I didn't feel like doing it. But today I thought, you know what, it doesn't matter. I have made this channel to help you guys out and to help myself out, and the way I look doesn't matter. It's going to heal. I know it's going to be fine. I'm confident in that. And this is one of the best ways to show that even though there are days when you're not feeling like it, you are to push and you are to persist to get what you want. So if you guys want to take that as an example, you can go ahead and do that. I am taking this as an example, me pushing through my terrible breakout session. But I don't want to say anything bad to it. It's my skin. I'm grateful for it, and it's gonna get better, and it's gonna be much more clear and beautiful. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I need to tell you guys that it is very important for you to align your self-concept in a way that helps you manifest things faster. Now, what is self-concept? Self-concept is nothing but your thoughts and your beliefs about yourself. So what do you think of yourself? How much do you think you believe? What kind of thoughts and what kind of mentality do you have about yourself? Do you think you're a confident person, or do you think you're a lazy person, or whatever? So that is what self-concept is, that you know what you are and you believe that you deserve what you want. And so first things first, I just want to say that anyone who's trying to manifest anything in their life, and anything that they want or desire in their life in this moment, and you are on this journey to manifest, you might know about self-concept. And if you do not know about self-concept, I can tell you right now. So self-concept is basically you believing, you innately knowing what you deserve and what you want. And the better the self-concept, the more strong your self-concept, the easier it will be for you to manifest what you want. So when I started my manifestation journey, I kind of always had a good self-concept. I was always kind of confident, and I believed that whatever I want, I deserve, and all of these things. So for me to get my desires were kind of easy, but at the same time there were certain things that I had some past with, which was not good for me. Like, in the past, the things did not turn out the way they should have with me, and I lacked my self-concept there, which is why it never, like, my manifestation, even if it did come to fruition, at the same time I was not able to permanently get results. So, and then I finally understood about self-concept. Like, I had heard about self-concept, I knew what self-concept was, but I never actually knew that it is so important to manifest anything in your life. Like, even when you're not manifesting, like you're not actively manifesting, if your self-concept is clear, if you have a very strong and a very innate self-concept, there is nothing that can stop you from getting your manifestation, even if you're not actively manifesting. So even if you're not consciously manifesting, even if there is a desire that you want and deep down you know that you deserve it and you know that you'll get it, you will get it. So it is that important. Self-concept is actually that important. There are a few things in which you can improve your self-concept. I personally watched tons of videos about self-concept. I watched Vera Kaminsky. I watched a few other YouTubers on self-concept, and they helped me a lot. Another thing that I did for my self-concept, which I've been practicing for a while now, and it has immensely helped me, is scripting. I don't even know how many notebooks I have. I don't even know how many notebooks I have actually filled. I used to, when I was in a deep spiral, when I was going through my rough time in life, the first thing I did was take out a damn notebook and write all the good things about myself, like everything nice, everything good, everything positive. And in that very instant, the kind of, the surge of positivity I got just by writing, it was literally, I think it was groundbreaking. It was something that, I would say that in few minutes, like in 2 to 3 minutes, I was feeling here and I was actively feeling there. Like my frequency rose to that level in just a few minutes while scripting. So scripting is something that exceptionally works for me, Obviously, you guys can couple it with other things, like maybe listen to an overnight subliminal or subliminals in general, or maybe you guys can just affirm, or just do whatever you want, do the things that makes you feel confident. So when I work out, for example, and I'm very actively, I am actively working out, I'm being consistent with my workouts and my walks, and I'm incorporating as much movement in my life as possible. That is when I know that I'm feeling confident and I feel like I deserve the things that I want. Self-concept is that important. Like, you need to understand and you need to just absorb this in your mind, in your body, in your heart, in your soul, that you deserve your desires. You deserve to get the things that you want. You deserve it. Like, that thing is not above you. You are above everything. What your desire is not to be on the pedestal. You are on the pedestal, and everything else around you is just a part of your life, but you are the center of your life and you are the center of everything else in your life. You need to understand that, because the things that we chase after, it can be a thing, it can be a person, anything that we chase after is going to run away, and we all know that. That is why everyone says, we don't chase, we attract, because when you chase, you are sending out that kind of desperate energy into the environment, into the universe, to that person, to that thing, and that is going to go away. It's not going to. You need to actively detach and understand. And you can only detach when you have a very strong self-concept, when you have an extremely high level, built up self-concept, because self-concept allows you to naturally flow into the state of being, to naturally flow into the state of owning and accepting and becoming it. Because there is no resistance when you're for example, if I know that I deserve this amount of money, I know that I deserve this amount of money, and I know that I'm going to get this amount of money by hook or by crook. So I do not think of how I'm going to get it. How is never a thing that goes in my mind, because that is not something in my hand. I can only work for it. I can only take actions that would make me better, that would make me feel better, and then the rest is up to the God, up to the universe, however I'm supposed to get it. That is not my problem. But my only job is for myself to understand that what I want is what I deserve. Unless you feel unless you put yourself in a place where you know that you deserve it, you will not be able to attract it. You will not be able to get it in your life. You'll not be able to have your desires in your life. So that is the most important thing. You can elevate your self-concept. I started working on my, like, I literally stopped listening to everything else and just self-concept meditations, affirmations, subliminals, everything about self-concept. Like, when I shifted my whole routine of manifestation into just focusing on self-concept, everything and everything, like, I could see instant results. And this is not a phrase that I'm using, like, if you say it right now, you're going to see instant results. See, it's from perception to perception. I'm not saying that you are also going to see instant results, although I do believe that, when you, like, from your heart and from your mind, when you actually know that you deserve certain things, then you get it. Because when you know that you're deserving of it, no one else is going to take it away. You only receive what you think you deserve. So this is one thing that I'm going to emphasize on again and again. If you're trying to manifest anything, literally anything, work on your self-concept, work on getting your self-concept up. Just work on making yourself understand that you deserve it. You deserve that princess treatment, you deserve that prince treatment, you deserve that money, you deserve that job, you deserve to live a financially independent life, you deserve that college, that whatever, like, you deserve that relationship, you deserve everything. You deserve to live in a stress-free, financially independent, like, a life of vacation, whatever you want. You deserve it. You need to innately know, understand, tell yourself, and, like, not in a, like, get yourself out of that victim mindset into a main character mindset. Like, be that main character in your life. Know that just how a main character in a movie, they deserve that love, they deserve that success, they deserve all that. So do you, because you are the main character in your life, and this is the kind of energy you are to channelize. And this will happen. You have to be consistent. You have to, like, you just can't be like, oh, but I practiced my self-concept once in maybe last year July and nothing changed. No, you have to be consistent. You need to understand that you are the most important person. You are the center of your universe, and anything that you desire, you're going to receive it, because your desires are not above you. You are above your desires. So once you align your self-concept in that way, once you understand that your self-concept and you are above all your desires, and all your desires are supposed to come to you because you deserve it, it's gonna be like a cakewalk. It's gonna be so easy, like, for you to even persist. It's gonna be super easy. It's gonna be super, like, you're instantly gonna feel better. So I do recommend you guys watching some great self-concept videos. Maybe, like, listen to subliminals. You can do some self-love meditations. I recently discovered that channel, House of Hibernation. Bobby is mind-blowing. Like, I love that woman, and I think after watching her videos, and I religiously watch her videos now, it was when I realized that how much self-concept is important for you to get anything that you want, because you need to have confidence in yourself. You need to have that, that kind of, strength in yourself. You need to trust yourself that way in order for you to get what you want. So definitely check out these channels. You can definitely listen to that, and there are multiple things. Like, what I have done in the past, I would say 2-3 months, to improve my self-concept is, first of all, first thing in the morning, and I still kind of struggle with it, but I try to do better. And the first thing that I do is I just instantly go freshen up, and then I just meditate. So I do whatever meditate. I do self-love meditations, maybe like a quantum jump meditation, whatever makes me feel excited and going. And then what I do is scripting. I have involved scripting into my daily schedule. anytime. It doesn't matter if I'm doing it in the day or in the night, I don't care. I am going to script and I'm going to read. So these two things are something that I have incorporated in my life. What else you can do is you can constantly affirm. Affirming does help, obviously. It just makes your mind feel more settled, more calm, and you're like not thinking of negative bullshit things. So just, I think it's a very good thing. It's a very good practice to, when you know that your thoughts are spiraling, you can just stop and just constantly repeat one good thing constantly, like I deserve good things, I deserve good things, I deserve good things, or maybe like just everything is perfect in my life, everything is perfect in my life, whatever. So that, like, after saying that for like maybe 20-30 times, you'll automatically feel better. You'll automatically feel a lot more positive and a lot more in alignment with what you desire and what you're trying to manifest. So yeah, like, constantly work on your self concept, guys. This is like the key to manifest anything. Like, all your other methods are fine, all your other persisting and everything is fine, but unless and until you know that you deserve what you want and you know that you're going to get what you want, unless and until you are there, you won't be able to get there. So keep working on it. Your self-concept is going to improve everything in your life, not just what you're trying to manifest, but your current situation, how people treat you, how you treat yourself, literally everything. Like the universe, the world, everything, like anyone you interact with, anything, the weather of your life, everything will change by improving your self-concept. Everything. You're literally totally changing your perception and everything else in your life. Everything. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Definitely you guys should go and check out Rita Kaminsky's Subliminal, the self-concept Subliminal. It's absolutely exceptionally beautiful. You guys can definitely check out House of Hibernation. Bobby has some really nice videos on self-love and self-concept, and she also has some good meditations as well, so you guys can definitely check that out. There are other there are other YouTubers as well, which I can list down, so you guys can check them out as well, because I also listen to them and it has helped me a lot. So yeah, I think that's about it, and I hope this video helped you guys to just work on your self-concept, and I just hope that whatever you guys are manifesting comes true within a week or so. This is what I pray for every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be uploading really soon the next video as well. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.